Stop buying the wrong device. Apple set a $2,000 trap between the MacBook M5 Pro and iPad M5. Here's the truth they're hiding. Welcome to TechieeHub, where we expose the real truth behind tech. If you love smart, honest tech breakdowns, hit subscribe. For 2 weeks, I used both devices in my real workflow: editing, scripting, meetings, even café work. I discovered something shocking. Apple's real strategy isn't performance, it's confusion. They want you to buy both. The MacBook M5 Pro feels like a tank. Solid, premium, a mini workstation. The iPad M5 is slim and portable. But attach the Magic Keyboard and it becomes a laptop, and the price jumps. At a cafe, everyone thought my iPad was a laptop. The Magic Keyboard makes your tablet cost $1,649. That's MacBook territory. The MacBook's XDR display is insane. Deep blacks, punchy HDR. But the iPad's Touch and Apple Pencil combo is another universe. I edited a thumbnail in 4 minutes on the iPad. On the MacBook, 9 minutes. Touch gives speed, precision, and fun. The M5 Pro chip is a beast. 8K timelines, LUTs, exports, unstoppable. On deadline day, the MacBook exported a 4K project in 8 minutes. The iPad took 23 and got hot. That's when I realized Apple limits the iPad on purpose. iPad OS boxes apps in. The MacBook doesn't even blink. Here's a battery twist. The iPad M5 is insanely efficient. The MacBook is strong too, but drains faster under heavy loads. Heat? The iPad stays cool. The MacBook gets warm, which is expected. Here's the truth no one will say. Apple could give the iPad full Mac OS tomorrow. The M5 chip is the same, but if they did, MacBook sales would drop 40%, so they limit iPad OS on purpose. You're not choosing between devices. You're trapped in Apple's strategy. Comment Team MacBook or Team iPad. The MacBook M5 Pro is for power users. The iPad M5 is for students and creatives. My pick? The MacBook, because it never limits me. If this saved you $2,000, hit subscribe. At TechieeHub, we expose what Apple won't tell you.